So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a cowl neck outfit in just 2 minutes. So I'll be using my mini dress form. This is a custom made dress form that I made with trashes, clothing trashes, and foams that I got from my e-pads and so on. So the first thing you need to do is the nature of fabric you're going to use must be a fabric that is not too thick, and fold into 2, and afterwards you fold into 4. So after you are folded into 4, then you input your neck depth. The neck depth of this mannequin is what I use here, which is 5.5. I will soon take that measurement on the mannequin. You will see this is how I got that. That's the breast point on the mannequin, which is 5.5. But in your own case, you just take your breast point, and I said for a size 10, UK size 10, you can use 10, because then after you take that, you take the shoulder width, and that is what I just took here. I'll put the shoulder width here. 2.5 is what I took on my dress form, and here the armhole curve. You're going to input that would serve as your upper chest. So this line serves as my upper chest, and below it will be my bust line, which is 2 inches below the way we normally put it. B means bust, UC means upper chest. So UC here means upper chest, and I'll go ahead and draft my armhole curve out, and we are almost done. The next thing is to input the circumference measurement divided by 4. So the bust measurement divided by 4 will be input here, and I'll connect to my armhole just like that. Very easy to draft a cowl neck outfit. So here I'll just go ahead and cut like so, and after cutting, I'll hold it on my shoulder and arrange it on my mannequin. So I'll just hold it on the shoulder. As we all know that this folded line is the neckline, that's where I'm going to drape. So it is, you're going just, it's like you're folding it into 2. So the folded one is always fine. That's what I see here. It makes my work neat, and it's just like you are having 2 pieces, and I've draped it on the mannequin. You can see the result is very beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.